Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Center of Building Surveying, Department of Built Environment and Technology, Faculty of Architecture, Planning and Surveying, UiTM, Perak. And our team members are NAZHATULZALKIS JAMALUDIN, Norazura Mizal Azzmi, Norehan Hashim Nur, Siti Zubaidah Hashim, Intan Bayani Zakaria and Nadira Ahzahar. Our presentation starts with introductions and followed by problem statement, objectives, methods, student results, student feedback, commercialization's potential, and recognition and publication. Introductions. So Nur Mobile Lab is teaching aid made of plywood and acrylic perspex sheet. So like demonstrations, we'll use torchlight, laser pointer and smoke. So this lighting box is very light structure and easy to bring along during class session in order to teach artificial lighting topic under environmental science. Why we create Nur Mobile Lab? It is because the common method in understanding the lighting principle in class is basically by verbal explanation. Thus, the students struggle to visualize and often confused in understanding the basic theory of lighting. So we create Nur Mobile Lab in order to fulfill a few objectives. We want students be able to demonstrate the knowledge by providing the lighting design and calculation to achieve sufficient lighting. And number 2, Nur Mobile Lab will create students' creative performance in learning by activities in the class. So the methods of 7 principles of lighting. So Nur Mobile Lab is invented to overcome students' difficulty in understanding the 7 principles of lighting. So the process of light flows. First, starts with principle number 1. Solid angle. Solid angle can be defined as a sphere centered around the point. Principle 2. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is the power of light source. Principle number 3. Luminous flux. Luminous flux is the rate at which light energy flows from the source. And number 4, illuminance. Illuminance is when luminous flux falls on a surface and it illuminates that surfaces. So principle 5, inverse square law. The illuminance produced by point source of light decrease in inverse proportion to the square of the distance from the source. Principle number 6, consign law of illumination. Principally concern the effects of tilting the receiving plane relative to the directions of light source. Principle number 7. This principle has 2 reflections. The first one is diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection reflects in various directions. The second one is specular reflection. Specular reflections is direct reflection in one direction. The angle incident equals the angle of reflection. So use the manual contains information about methods to assemble and dismantle Nur Mobile Lab. Students' results. The picture shows an application of first generation Nur Mobile Lab in class. And the students' results is comparison of grade score by student for topic lighting principle for September 2020 and January 2019. The highest percentage, 40% students obtained A. The lowest mark increased to grade C+, compared with previous semester which was grade C. And the second graph is a comparison of students' score more than 50 marks for tests on topic principles of lighting. We have conducted one feedback survey from students about Nur Mobile Lab, and the feedback are very positive, and they agreed that Nur Mobile Lab helped to visualize and gain better understanding for lighting principles and measurement. Commercialization's potential. So this mobile lab can be used at the primary and secondary schools level for introduction to general information related to the topic of lighting. So demonstration can be made by explaining the properties of light and how light moves, and this will attract students to deepen their knowledge of the science. Nur Mobile Lab have one copyright number, that is CRLY 0001237. And a conclusion. The common method in understanding the lighting principles in class is basically by verbal explanation. Thus, the students struggle to visualize and often confuse in understanding the basic theory of lighting. By invention of this new teaching aid, the above problem stated and solved. Thank you.